Well, once again, we're out here in Bones Yard. He's been quiet down a good bit. We got another something out here in these woods. There he goes. He's done got something treed or bait or. This is getting old. But I got a duck sitting on some eggs, so I got to take care of my ducks. Sure is a big difference in springtime and wintertime. I got to duck and dodge. Get a chainsaw. Thank goodness ain't no spider web. Dadgummit. Hold on, son, I'm coming. We're going to find this booger. We're going to have to get you back home. Well, whew, he was barking continuously out here deep into the woods of Bones Yard, which is not really deep. I got like 5.9 acres of land here, but he's gonna slow down barking. I really don't know where he's at. This better not be another wild goose chase, because what is that? That's a spider. Huh. Wow. Spider eyes. These spider eyes, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I was going to show you a spider. Yeah, he's somewhere up in here. Dadgummit. Some owls right here. Woo! 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 Sometimes I get somebody to come running towards me. That and cars coming down the road. What's that? Y'all see them spider eyes? Like, check that one out. I'm gonna go to it. Where'd it go? Right up in there somewhere. This is cool. I've done this in a different. Dadgummit. I got a headlight and a phone light at the same time. And you can actually walk up to the spider, and it's an itty bitty tiny thing. Dadgummit, where'd he go? How about this? What is that? That's a leaf. Dadgummit. There's a spider there, but his eyes wasn't glowing, but I just looked up and seen them. It'd be a tiny spider, but it looked huge on the camera. And I'm out here walking, and they hanging down off my hat. Make you do some Jiu-Jitsu 2000 stuff on them. Yeah. Make a grown man go crazy. Hanging off your damn hat. You brim off your hat. Oh yeah. Come on, son! He's way over there. He's on somebody else's property. Come on, here! Oh, he done bait him now. But I can't go on somebody else's property because, dadgummit. Anyway, I done went through 7 or 8 spider webs. I'm heading back to the house. Anyway, another dry run. It'll be about another hour or so before the dog, the great possum killer, gets back to the house. Sayonara.